Emma and the Magic Paintbrush. Emma was a little girl who loved to paint. She painted trees, flowers, birds, and even castles. Every day after school, she sat by the window and made colorful paintings. One evening, as Emma cleaned her brushes, she found a new paintbrush on her table. It was shiny and golden. Emma did not know where it came from, but it looked special. The next morning, Emma used the golden brush to paint a small blue bird. Suddenly, the bird on her paper moved. It flapped its wings and flew out of the painting. Emma was shocked but happy. She understood. The golden brush was magic. She painted a big tree, and poof, a real tree grew in her garden. She painted a rainbow, and poof, a rainbow appeared in the sky. Emma used her magic brush to help the village. She painted food for the hungry. She painted houses for those who needed a home. She even painted toys for little children. Everyone loved Emma and thanked her for her kindness. But Emma always smiled and said, "Kindness is the true magic." She kept the golden brush safe and used it only when someone needed help. Emma's village became the happiest place because of her kind heart and her magic paintbrush. And Emma, she painted a beautiful, bright world every day.